Even meche keke now because no one keke can do shi go shop. But not the keke won't do shi. Ndo shi ne use komoto go si. You can't say meche jeans trouser because ndo shi ne jeans trouser. Kaga meche the company. It's not good.
Afam Butochi Dubai.
Afam Ugochukwu. Ahamubo Emeka Joseph Obiaro.
My name is Abdul Hasib.
Biko onye ọbụla ka akwa ahụ na-watch Orugo TV.
Orugo TV. Oh.
Kaidu Orugo TV Kaido.
Anamna Orugo TV.
Good day, everybody. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ndobisi Chimamanda Udonsi from Orugo TV. And I believe that you all have heard about what our governor said, that no keke should move around 7 p.m. starting from 1st August. And here we are out here in the streets, UMUAHIA, Abia State, Opet precisely. And then we want to ask some keke men about their opinion, know what they say, if they're okay with it. So see you right there.
My name is Henry. Yes, I'm okay with that time that governor put it. Anything that God said that you should make, you can make it.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's not good. Why I say it's not good is because of people who go to work closing by 7 o'clock. They can't get keke to go to their houses. So they can't get keke to go to their houses. That is the why it's bad. There's a hunger in Abia. So people are finding work to do and the young boys are finding work to eat. So if you close keke by that time, it will worry people.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
It's a good thing. Because sometimes some people not only keke, some motor.
My opinion, I will now get married extend the time like 8 o'clock. I got the manageable because that 7 o'clock is the rushing hour. If you even want to make a shop by 7 o'clock, would I get home by 7 o'clock as well? I will not extend to 1 hour time like 8 o'clock. They more preferable than 7 o'clock. That 7 o'clock they horrible to us. For the fact how products that now is to control insecurity, something like that. We welcome the idea now. We know I can solve insecurity, but I don't see them sure now where I can solve insecurity. You can solve insecurity as to my own understanding. Now create more security forces. At least map out the junction. Amarebe, Amarandi wa Bundiojo. Well, even meche keke now because no one keke can do shi go shop. But not the keke won't do shi. Ndo shi ne use komoto go si. You can't say meche jeans trouser because ndo shi ne jeans trouser. Kaga meche the company. It's not good. Even from that 8 o'clock to 9, they will find it hard. As one happen at 10 o'clock any before, that should be okay.
There is no opinion so far. You have to abide to it. If you've work up to from 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. to 7 o'clock, I feel it's enough.
All right, here comes to the end of the show. And do not forget to like, share, comment on Orugo TV. I still remain Ndobisi Chimamanda Udonsi. All right, see ya. Bye.